Yeah. Here we go.
Hello everyone, welcome to Puchkut TV and let's welcome you all with the welcome song. So let's sing together. Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, hip 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 hooray! Very good, clap 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 clap, very nice. Now today in this session we are going to learn a new letter, and what is that? Do you know? Can anyone recognize which letter is this? Which letter? Don't know. This is letter V. Which letter? V letter. And first we will do the sound of letter V with the help of stories and rhymes. Okay? So are you ready to listen to the story? Yes? Yes, my lovely children. Very good. Now listen the story carefully. Okay, my lovely children? Yes, yes. The story name is We the Vegetable Vendor. Okay? Let's start. Veer was a vegetable vendor. He wore a violet color vest. Okay? And he had a van in which he used to carry vegetables to the market to sell. He and his wife sold the vegetables. His wife sold the vegetables and he played violin. Yes, yes, my lovely children, do like this, play the violin. He played violin to attract the buyers. His violin was so pleasant. The sound of the violin is too pleasant that everyone bought vegetables. Yes, very. So did you enjoy the story? Did you enjoy it? Show me your thumb. Very nice. This is the story of letter V. Which letter? V. Okay? Do you know the sounds of letter V? No. Let's do the rhyme. So are you ready to sing along with me? Yes? Very good. Let's start. So pretend to play a violin. Okay? Like this. Let's start the rhymes. Green fresh veggies, buy from me, buy from me. I will play the violin, I will play the violin. Yes, very good. Once more. Green fresh veggies, buy from me, buy from me. I will play the violin, I will play the violin. Yes, clap, 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 clap. Very. What have we learned from these rhymes? The sound of letter V. And what is the sound of letter V? Play the violin and say. This is the sound of letter V. Okay, my lovely students. Very good. Please like, share and do subscribe my channel.